guys, today we're in the rawest and the oldest corner of the Koh Samui Island, and today we're chasing to get some nice fashion b-rolls for the short 15-second fashion video. This is for the outfit look. Stick with us for 3 minutes and grab yourself a coffee. Hope you're gonna enjoy the BTS process, and let's make it happen. So this is gonna be my system today. The Ronin, fully rigged up, and there is always my RED Komodo with Sigma 18-35 for the start. Right, so this is our first location. I will just adjust my exposure and we're shooting in the ProRes. I'm gonna get 30 FPS. No worries. 1, 2, and we're speeding. And don't look in the camera, look a little bit right. Right. Previous stuff. Getting a lot of tension definitely with this rig. Pull the jacket out a little bit. And don't look there. Look there. Okay, cut. Let's pause again. Ready? Don't look in the camera, okay? Drop one shoulder. Yeah. Yeah, like this. Perfect. Just hold it like this. And 1, 2. Let's go. Right. Okay. Keep going to move a little bit. Shot is a little bit overexposed, as you can see, but now it's okay. We're going back. Alright, we're gonna do one more shot. I don't like the feet. Okay. Alright, we're speeding. Yeah, people just passing by. 1, 2, let's go. Drop the shoulder. Drop the shoulder, yes. 1, 2. When bikes are coming. Alright. Here we go. Okay, just go a little bit there. Okay. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2, don't move here. Alright, this is quite nice. Fashion style. Here. Cut. Okay. Right, this is the shot. Let's go. Don't look in the camera. Stand a little, don't move, no. They're gonna go around, don't worry. Yeah, this leg, like this, okay. Head turn there. Okay, keep it this way, don't move, okay? When I tell you, you just move a little bit with the shoulders. Right? You got it? Alright. Hips a little bit of exposed on the highlights. Stand, don't move. Okay, ready? Look there again. 1, 2, let's go. A little bit move my shoulders, yeah. Perfect. 1, 2, let's go. Okay, cut. That would be a shot. 1. Hold it. Hold it, don't move. Alright, so just adjusting the focus. Ready? 1, 2, let's go. A little bit movement. Yes. Perfect. 1, 2. Move left, yeah, move right. Alright, 1, 2. Okay, stop here. And we're gonna shoot a static. So, you ready? You just come in the shot and stop here and start to look around. Okay, you got it? You come here, you drop a little bit to the jacket, and you look left and you look right, like previous shot. Yeah, until there. You ready? 1, 2, let's go. Yeah, chin up. Yeah, okay, left. Right, keep the back straight. That was good, that was good. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's people go. I don't understand it. Traffic in the small street, like a main street. You ready? 1, 2, let's go. 1, 2, drop the jacket. Okay, turn left. Right, and go here. 1, 2, let's go here. Okay, perfecto. Got it. That was a shot. All right, let's move to another spot a little bit. Come over here. Let me see this corner. Don't stand on the road too much. All right, sweet. Let's go here. Wait. Yeah, it can be a thing. Just a second. Let's see. I think we need like 35 here, and it's all fucked up. No, I don't like the cars and everything. Okay, let's go a little bit further. Alright, how about this way? Just wanna see the texture and everything. No, let's go. It just doesn't look really well right now. Maybe in the evening it will be better. No, looks like in Grandma's backyard. Okay, this street appears to be nice. Come in the middle after where the grandma will go. Drop the jacket a little bit on the out of the shoulders, and I want to see your back. And turn. Yeah, okay, let's do the walking and turning, okay? So we're going, yeah, like this, wait. Okay, ready? Let's do the fast one, let's go. And turn. And turn. Oh, wait. Walk backwards a bit. Wait, back. Wait. Just stay in the middle. I'm still speeding. Alright, just keep going to move a little bit. Okay, cut. There's a lot of potential, but people are working all the time. You ready? Alright, I have to use my nose. Okay, 1, 2, let's go. Go backwards. Drop the. Don't look in the camera. Look around. Yeah. Okay, hold it. Wait. Drop the jacket down. Pose a little bit. Yeah. Keep going to pose. Look in the camera. You can look in the camera. It's fine. Yeah. Let's go. Yes. Just a little movement, not fast. Okay. Keep the back straight. Yeah. Okay. Good. And go step forward a bit. Go. Go. Cut. So yeah, to shoot without an assistant is a nightmare. But what you can do if you need to do the solo filmmaking, like most of us do. So now we go into the car to change the gear because it's quite heavy. I'm gonna do the handheld rig. We're gonna shoot Canon 2470 f4. So we are changing for the handheld with the Canon 2470. And I think I need to calibrate sensor because it's become red again. So that's kind of headache and the thing that you need to keep in mind when you have your RED Komodo. Okay, the next rig is ready. It's gonna be Canon 2470. This lens is actually broken, so but anyway, the aperture is not working, so it's at f4 all the time. Let's go and test it in the real life. So we're heading to the location with the handheld rig, and let's squeeze maximum from this lens. This lens is broken, it's constant f4, the aperture is not working, the stabilization also I guess not working. Wait, it's a nice corner here. How about you stand there? Can you stand here in the middle please, Sash? Okay, 1, 2, yes, a little movement. Look here, drop the eyes in the camera. Yep. Okay, cut. Wait. Stand here, please. Maybe lean on the door a bit. gonna do some random b-roll shots. Alright, yeah. And look there. Alright, perfect. Wait a second. Let me just nail the focus. 1, 2, okay. Yeah, perfect. Let's do this movement with the hand again. 1, 2. Yeah. Alright. Look up, a little bit up, yeah. Look down. Cut. 1, 2, let's go. And look here. Yep, still a little bit overexposed, so I need to adjust my ND filter. And I use my key ND filter. Now it's too kind of dark, I don't like that, but anyway. Ready? 1, 2. Look here. Cut. Alright, so we're gonna do the same. I know what to do. Alright, let's make it ready. Ready? Okay, 1, 2. Yeah. Make yourself happy a little bit more because you're kind of really sad. No, don't smile, just make yourself happy. What the hell? Okay, go, go. Alright. Movements. Hair, cap, you can hold the cap. Yep. And walk a little bit. Yeah. Cut. And don't look in the camera, look around, okay? Yeah. You're walking like you're walking and staring around, okay? Staring around. 1, 2, let's go. Go, turn, and walk normally. And turn. Staring around, yeah, hold. And go again, go, go, go. Alright, and turn. Yep, let's go, 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 go. Go, go, go. And then turn again. Okay, cut. What I don't see really focus because maybe I'm just gonna do it auto. And then I turn it off. Alright, ready? 1, 2. Just a little movement. Is and drop it totally from the shoulders. So open to shoulders, yes. Yeah, look around. 1, 2. Okay, cut. Come here. Yeah, let's do the walking like we wanted to do, right? Come here. Let's do the walking. Yeah? Ready? You can walk backwards if you want. Ready? 1, 2, let's go. And hold. And look around, look around. Yeah. Okay, good. Cut. Right. Ready? 1, 2, let's go. Go. Yeah, turn, 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 turn. Yeah. And hold. Look around, don't look in the camera. Let's do the jacket on the finger. Fix your hair. Get ready? Okay, 1, 2, let's go. Look there. Yeah. That was good. I don't like when you look in the camera. Just look all the time on the wall. Wall. Okay, the line. Should go side. 1, 2, let's go. Yeah. Sit in. Cut. I think it was good. We're speeding. Keep going. Okay. Alright, I like to do it on the road. Okay, cut. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is the official wrap. So we are wrapping here because the sun is setting down, and I hope you enjoy the process. Let me know any questions if you have about the lenses or anything else. I would be happy to answer these questions. Let's stay in touch. This is Jay from Kosama Island. See you in the next one.